Redlands Ashlyn Motors plc pioneered the round straw balers in India. Redlands Round Straw Balers. Straw on the field is collected and made into round compressed bales using twines or net wrap. Redlands round balers can easily collect harvest residues of sugarcane, corn, cotton, peanut, sorghum, and also tomato vines, grapevine cuttings, and most vegetable residues. Our balers, depending on model, can bind bales with either jute twine, sisal twine for hard stems, or net wrap. We use integrated hydraulic power pack from Buzhou, Germany, and hydraulic piston from Bizelli, Italy. Sturdy chassis frame made of high-grade CR steel for long life. We are using high-strength roller drive chains from Renault, UK. All rollers use high-strength galvanized Tata CR steel precisely formed on an automatic continuous forming machine. For smoother and trouble-free operation, we use pivot bushes from IGUS, Germany for all mechanical linkages. Other options like error-free accurate bale counters with dual sensors to avoid errors, automatic bale ejection, baling data through a dedicated ECU. A bale occupies its compresses material to less than 25% of space occupied by straw, chaff or leaves stored loosely. Bales can be easily transported and stored. Once in bale form, straw then becomes a tradable commodity. Our bale's simple construction and mechanism allows almost anyone to easily learn to operate and service in the baler in a few hours. Today, we have a wide range of balers. SBA 330, SBA 330EW, Jumbo 1208, Jumbo 1209, Jumbo 1211, Jumbo 1209X with extra pickup, Rex 1611, Offset Baler. With our strong R&D team of dedicated engineers, our focus on high quality and an ultra-modern factory with the ability to produce high-quality balers. Redlands Ashlyn Motors plc pioneered the round straw balers in India.